it's Gamori, and today we're going to be making a star clip and a hair clip of Mo for the Annie cosplay from Splatoon. To make Annie's hair clips, we're going to start by cutting two star shapes out of some black felt, and on one of them we're going to hand sew on a hair clip. Sew the two star pieces together by whip stitching around the edges, and add a little bit of stuffing inside to make it more three-dimensional. Then I hand sewed on some iridescent seed beads to give it a little bit more texture. To make the hair clip for Mo, I started by taking a three-dimensional clownfish sticker and attaching it onto some white craft foam. Then we're going to trim off the excess craft foam and seal the back using some Mod Podge. Hot glue a clip to the back to turn it into a hair clip, and to make it look a little bit more cartoonish, I used a little bit of acrylic paint and painted over the more realistic looking fisheye. And with that, Annie's hair clips are done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!